Hello, my lovely kids. I am your Kavita ma'am, class teacher of UKG, and today I am going to teach you EVS. And in EVS, I'll tell you about games. Children, games and sports are very necessary in our life. Games make us fit, active, and fresh, and it is necessary for health and proper development of the body. In page number 32, we will learn about games. G-A-M-E-S, games. First, we will learn what is indoor games. I-N-D-O-O-R, indoor. G-A-M-E-S, games, indoor games. Do you know what is indoor games? The games which we play at our home or inside a room are called indoor games. Understood? C-A-R-R-O-M, carom. Carom is an indoor game. It is played on a square polished plywood board with a striker and small circular wooden pieces called carom coins. L-U-D-O, Ludo. Ludo is a strategy board game for 2 or 4 players. T-A-B-L-E, table. T-E-N-N-I-S, tennis, table tennis. It is a sport in which 2 or 4 players hit a lightweight ball. The game takes place on a hard table divided by a net. V-I-D-E-O, video. G-A-M-E, game, video game. It is an electronic game that involves interaction with a user interface or input device such as joystick, controller, keyboard or motion sensing device to generate visual feedback for a player. B-I-L-L-I-A-R-D-S, billiards. Billiards sports are a wide variety of games of skill generally placed with a cue stick. C-H-E-S-S, chess. C-H-E-S-S, chess. Chess is a recreational and competitive board game played between 2 players. These are our indoor games. After indoor games, we will learn about outdoor games. And what is outdoor games? The games which we play outside like ground and stadium are called outdoor games. B-A-D-M-I-N-T-O-N, badminton. Badminton is an outdoor game. Badminton is a racket sport played using racket to hit a shuttlecock across a net. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L, football. Football is a team sport played with a spherical ball between 2 teams of 11 players. H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. Hockey is our national game. It is the national game of India. In this sport, 2 teams play against each other. Each team has 11 players. B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. B-A-L-L, ball. Basketball. Basketball is a team sport in which 2 teams, most commonly of 5 players, each opposing one another on a rectangular court. L-A-W-N, lawn. T-E-N-N-I-S, tennis, lawn tennis. Lawn tennis was played only on lawn, hence people called the sport lawn tennis. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. Cricket is a bat and ball game played between 2 teams of 11 players on a field. Each team bats and fields in turn. These are some games given in your EVS book. Read it nicely and learn its spelling. Okay? See children, here is an exercise related to these games, indoor games and outdoor games. Some pictures are given in your book and you have to write its name in correct column. As which game is this? This is football, and football is an outdoor game. Write football in this column, outdoor games. In this column you will write football. Which game is this? This is table tennis, and table tennis is an indoor game. That's why I wrote here table tennis in this column, indoor games. Next, badminton, and it is an outdoor game. Right here, badminton. Video game is an indoor game. Right in this column, video game. Ludo, it is also an indoor game. Right here, Ludo. Next, cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. Right in this column, cricket. Hockey. Hockey is also an outdoor game. Right, hockey here. After that, carom. Carom is an indoor game. In this column you have to write carom. Basketball, it is an outdoor game. Right here, basketball. And chess, it is an indoor game. Right here. Understood? Like this you will complete your exercise. Next one is paste the sticker of a game in which we use dice having 1 to 6 numbers. In Ludo we use dice having 1 to 6 numbers. Take the sticker of Ludo from your EVS book and paste here. Okay? Like this you will complete this page very nicely. Children, now we will write some games name. First we will write here date 1-2-21. After that, heading games GAMES, and here C.W. And first we will write spelling of Ludo. LUDO, Ludo. First, Ludo. And second, chess. CHESS, chess. Third, carom. CARROM, carom. Next, hockey. HOCKEY, hockey. And after that, cricket. CRICKET, C K E T. Cricket. Number 6. Football. F double O T B A double L. Football. After football, we will write badminton. B A D M I N T O N. Badminton. Next, basketball. B A S K E T B A double L. Basketball. Next one is table tennis. T A B L E table. T E N N I S. Table tennis. And next one is billiard. B I L L I A R D S. Billiards. Children, like this you will complete this work in your EVS copy.